my channel. So for today's video, we are taking this beauty kind of wintry silver look that I did for yesterday's video, and we are going to recreate my very first special effects video that I ever did, which was the Avant-Garde Splatter that I recreated that was on Glam&Gore's channel. So for my last Christmas related video for this year of 2018, my very last video, because it is Christmas, Merry Christmas everybody, I want to do the splatter effect but with Christmas colors. So I am going to be using greens and reds and sparkles and shimmers and all of these different colors and my Avant paint, and we're going to do a splatter. So I am going to take off this wig because I don't want to cover it in paint. And I'm gonna take off my Santa hat and we can get into the video. Alright, so to do this splatter effect, if you guys haven't seen my last video on how to do it, I will link it right here for you guys, but it's pretty simple. You just need a waterproof mixing liquid or you need waterproof paints. So I need the waterproof mixing liquid for my pigments and I need water for my Avant makeup paints. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be using a toothbrush like this just to splatter on my face like that, and I get pigment all over my face. And I have a cup of water here and I pour some of the mixing liquid just into a bowl so that I can dip my toothbrush in and we can get started. So I think the first colors that I want to start off with will be the reds and greens, so that will be the paint. So I am going to go in with just plain old water and I'm going to activate my paint and make it really, really wet. And then I'm gonna go in with my paintbrush and I'm going to splatter it on my face like so. Now that I have red on my face and it kind of looks like blood and it's kind of scary. So this is also a very easy way to make blood splatters if you have red paint. So now I'm going to go into my green and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm just mixing enough to activate it. Now that I've gone in with the light green and the reds, I'm gonna go in with a forest green, like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So now that we have that going on, I am gonna move on to adding some pigments in. So I am gonna go in with a silver pigment by NYX, so I'm just dumping it into the lid of one of my paints, and I'm going to wash off my paintbrush. And then now this is where I go into the mixing liquid. Same thing as the water, it just works better for pigments. And I'm gonna go into the silver and I'm gonna hit myself with silver pigment. And now I'm gonna go into some of my sparkles. So I have red sparkles and green sparkles. So I'm gonna go into some green sparkles. So how do I wanna apply these? I'm gonna go into my mixing liquid and I'm just going to dump some of the sparkles into my brush. So these are cosmetic grade sparkles, so make sure to always use cosmetic grade sparkles. Don't use craft sparkles because you'll blind yourself. God, I love green glitter. So I think I'm going to paint some of the glitter on just with a brush that's already covered in glitter. Ooh, that's not working. Maybe we can go in with just... No. Don't touch it, you'll just make a mess. My eyelash is falling off. To glue that back on. So, I'm gonna take that off for now because it's just flying off. So now, I'm gonna go back into, I don't know what color I wanna do next. So far it looks like, from afar it looks like this. It looks like Christmas literally threw up on me, but I think I need more in this area. So I am going to add some more of the pigment. So I'm gonna go in with a green pigment by NYX. And I think I need to add just a little bit more of the gold. So this is really, really splattered. It looks really cool. So now I am gonna go wash my hands and put my eyelash back on, and I will be back. So this is the finished look of my Avant-Garde Christmas look. So it is this very different kind of splatter effect using golds, silvers, greens, and reds. I think it looks really cool. I think it looks really fun, and it's a lot different than all of my other looks. I really wanted to just try one of my Avant-Garde looks again because the splatter one that I did quite a few months ago, I think it was in the summertime, looked really cool, and I really wanted to try and do a Christmas one. It kind of looks a little scary and I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And I hope you guys did enjoy my 25 days of SFXMAS, and I will see you guys at my next video, which will not be Christmas related. But Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys all have an awesome holiday. And yeah, thank you for sticking around for this series, and I will see you guys at my regular scheduled videos. Bye.